We are known as the Skokie Shop's Heavy Maintenance Facility. We, as craftsmen, have our own specialties and we have our own in-depth knowledge of these trains, and we all end up jumping in there and doing our thing. We have machinists, electricians, blacksmith welders, electronics people, carpenters. There is a family of craft trades that work on these trains. At this shop, we do kind of serve two functions. We do what we call unscheduled work, which is day-to-day stuff. We have a train that's out in the field that ends up striking something, maybe something's thrown on the rails, there's an electrical fire. Those kinds of damages that are more severe will come to our shop. Scheduled work is more formalized, and this is work that is going to be done to an entire series line of L cars. We are currently, as this one here with the truck down, is the 5000 series. With this 5000 overhaul, it's the fastest, the most demanding overhaul we've done thus far. We are literally turning out a married pair, which is two cars permanently married together, every day. We're not like New York City. We're a smaller city with much tighter radiuses in our turns, so we have to marry two short cars permanently together in order to handle those tight radius turns. The drawbar that joins the two permanently married cars together, that takes a beating. It's like a giant horizontal shock absorber, and after time, it needs to be replaced. There's an aspect to this 5000, we have a term called the anaconda. There is a main train line cable. It is like almost 25 feet long. Cable is probably about that big in diameter. It's all copper, it's heavy. It takes probably about 4 electricians to manhandle this 25-foot run. And then it takes these 4 electricians to unbolt and drop this thing and then wrestle a new one in. Craziest thing that I've been involved with is we have literally taken off the entire front of a train. That's a fiberglass nose, that entire assembly. It's one piece, it is riveted, it is glued, and we have replaced that entire assembly. There were leftover masked noses from the manufacturer that we have out in our yard, and we were able to transplant an entire face of a train. We are always challenged to think outside the box and come up with solutions that can be quickly implemented and that are safe for the public. And that's what's really cool about this place. Personally, for myself, I have 3 boys in college and I have a daughter that's in high school. And you know, one of the things that I've seen now in the last few years is they've got a big concern about where this planet is headed and stuff, as far as, you know, clean water, clean air, how we're doing environmentally. And we're moving amazing amounts of people and having a small carbon footprint compared to the amount of people that we move. My kids take a lot of pride in the fact that I, you know, am helping do that. And I didn't always look at it from that angle, but now my kids, that's their main concern. And it's helped me see that, you know, from that perspective, and that's kind of cool, and that's what I take pride in.